You know who I have an insane amount of respect for? The guys and gals that are outside working in the blistering summer heat. So we're going to help them stay cool with this feature product from Igloo, the Latitude 16 cooler. This straightforward cooler boasts a 15-liter capacity, which is enough to hold 24 standard-sized cans or the daily lunch and snacks of the average construction worker. It also has a convenient handle that folds flat into the liner, making this cooler easily stackable or can be tucked away in a work truck. Molded into the top of the lid are 2 cup holders that will keep any and all drinks in place while on the job site. And on the inside liner are integrated pouring channels for helping assist in the pouring of any melted ice at the end of the workday. And to keep the cooler contents as cold as possible, at Gregg's, we've got many different sizes of Igloo's Max Cold Freezer blocks, which contain a non-toxic gel that delivers extended cooling performance and can be reused over and over again. And don't forget to stay hydrated with bottles of water or electrolyte drinks like Squincher or Powerade. So beat the heat and stay cool with this week's feature product, the Latitude 16 cooler from Igloo. What do you drink to stay cool in the heat? Let me know in the comments below and give us a like and subscribe so you can check out all our feature products. Thanks for watching.